Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software version on your headphones Sony. You have to start by open the application, and right here we have the information that we have the latest software version to install. So click more info. OK. And now just wait. Don't use your headphones, don't play music, just wait until this update is finished. Then click OK, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!